bagay yung ginagawa ko. Bruha.
Hi guys! Welcome to another unboxing episode, but first of all, we would like to thank 28DP Shop for this package. 28DP Shop is the friendliest online store here in Taiwan. Visit their Facebook page and you will find all vlogging essentials at a very affordable price. They have fast delivery service and you can pick up your order at any convenience store nationwide. Good lighting is very important in creating best video. Natural light is the best source but is not always accessible, especially indoors. However, there are several options to help us improve our videos. This ring light is an affordable alternative for illumination. It is a 26cm LED ring light with brightness and color controller. A mobile phone clip to mount your cell phone for photograph, video, or selfie. This mini ball head allows ring light to rotate and tilt to desired angle. The package also comes with a tripod stand. Join me and let's find out if this equipment is really worthwhile. Setting up is pretty quick and easy. Light color switching from warm light, soft light, and white light. Easily adjust the light from brightest to dimmest. Kapit lang ng maigpit, aabutin natin ang mga tala, 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 tala. Can't get away with what I'm feeling. The great difference of having a ring light, and I hope you enjoyed this video too. Thank you for watching. See you next time.